Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to wash moringa leaves easily. Start by sorting leaves and discarding stems and yellow bits. Fill a large bowl with cold water and submerge leaves to loosen dirt. Gently swish leaves for 30 to 60 seconds to release grit. Lift leaves with a strainer and repeat rinsing until water runs clear. Drain thoroughly and pat dry before cooking or storing in the fridge. In this video, I will show how to wash moringa leaves easily. Place leaves in a clean bowl and add cold water to cover them completely. Let them soak 2 to 5 minutes to let sand and tiny insects settle to the bottom. Swirl gently and lift leaves out without disturbing sediment. Repeat the soak and rinse cycle until the water stays clear and the leaves look bright and fresh. In this video, I will show how to wash moringa leaves easily. Quick recommendation: if you enjoyed the market run with fresh moringa, grab a Little Trees black ice to keep your car smelling great after hauling greens. It is a fun little pick-me-up that pairs nicely with kitchen prep energy. If you want the exact product and other deals, check the description. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to wash moringa leaves easily. After rinsing, spread leaves on a clean towel and gently pat to remove moisture. For larger batches, use a salad spinner to spin dry in short bursts until barely damp. Transfer fully dry leaves to a breathable container or a paper towel-lined bag to absorb any remaining moisture. Store in the fridge and use within a few days for best flavor and nutrition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.